welcome back to the channel. My name is Baina, and today we're talking about the best 10 luxury bathroom decor updates for stylish people. Now, in my personal opinion, I actually think the bathroom is probably one of the most important rooms in your home, and I think it really represents your emotions. I mean, let's think about it. You start and end your day in the bathroom. It represents self-care. How many times have you had a genius idea that came to you when you were in the shower or the bathtub? And what's the first thing you do when you know guests are coming over to your house? You clean the bathroom. It just kind of represents how you value and treat yourself. The video today is actually sponsored by Dossier. This is one of those really cool modern companies that creates dupes of your favorite high-end perfumes and offers them at low prices starting at like $29. So I'll get into that a little bit later and show you how I style them in the bathroom. So there's two styles of towels that I just feel like is so elegant and sophisticated, and honestly, they work with every single design aesthetic. So I think the waffle towel is actually the best towel for drying wet hair. You can get it really tight around your head, twisted, and it really will not move at all. There's a very sort of organic, minimalist spirit about the waffle towel. The way that they look best styled in a bathroom is when they're actually hung from hooks. And texture is such an important thing in interior design. I've really seen so many examples of these Turkish towels in every single design aesthetic. They're very, very thin and they're highly absorbent, and they usually have kind of like a stripe pattern and tassels on the end. And again, like the waffle towels, the Turkish towels look really good when you are hanging things from hooks. So second luxury decor item is to have signature hooks. Towel bar. You can still have a towel bar, but I just kind of like love hooks. And I feel like Anthropologie and even Cost Plus World Market offer really unique, interesting hooks. And in my LA bathroom, I used to have these two antique brass peacocks hanging on the wall instead of a towel bar, and with the luxury towels combined. It's just this extra level of design, a little bit less common, that I feel like looks really good. And I also like the idea of like having pairs, even if you're a single person and you don't want to be single, to have two hooks with two towels kind of gives the illusion that there's another person. So psychologically, every day you're kind of programming yourself that you are not single. That I love non-traditional rugs in a bathroom. That means Persian rugs and Turkish rugs, things that are hand woven, antique rugs. I absolutely love that look. It is so rich and elegant, and again, fits in so many different aesthetics. Etsy is really my go-to for rugs. It's always a risk, I think, sometimes getting a rug that you sort of can't return because it's too expensive to ship it back can be a little bit intimidating. But if you're ever shopping around, locally or in a vintage store, see something well priced on Facebook Marketplace, give it a shot. They look so chic in a bathroom and instantly elevate that space. Don't be afraid to add furniture to your bathroom, whether it's big or small. This is really helpful too when you have a bathroom that's standard, nothing fancy about it, lackluster, characterless bathrooms. For instance, my parents have a home like that, but they got this exact marble side table, black and white shower curtain from Target, instantly makes everything look way more special than it is and adds that bit of luxury. So you could add a little marble pedestal, you could do a teak stool, you could have even like an antique chair to put extra towels on, small secretary in a bathroom. Do not be afraid to put furniture in your bathroom. I really do not like those sets of kind of generic matching soap dispensers. And if you get a soap dispenser that looks like this, you will be getting that soap squirting onto your shirt. So annoying. So avoid those at all costs. What I personally like to do, honestly, is just go to Home Goods or TJ Maxx and go through all of their soaps. It's such a fun afternoon to do that. And just get pretty things that you like the graphic design of and you like the smell of. And I usually like to just have a few little containers on my countertops of pretty soaps and lotions that look really, really cute. These little elements are actually really important because there's only a few things you're going to really decorate in your bathroom. So you want to make sure that every single element you're bringing in is actually enhancing the overall look of the design. I turned down like 80% of companies that want to send me stuff, to be honest, but I really like companies that have good quality products for an affordable price. So they ship them in little boxes that looks like this. I love the simplicity and minimalism. I'm a huge fan. It looks like this inside. Iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. And oud is one of my favorite scents. I'm into like cedarwood, sandalwood, very musky, kind of masculine smells. And oud is one of my favorite candles from Diptyque, which is like 3 times more expensive than Dossier. This smell has rosewood, tobacco, pink pepper, coriander, patchouli, vetiver. Probably not the scent for everyone because it's very like kind of strong and deep and musky. If you like that, you would like this. When I wore this, I found it actually did last pretty much throughout the day, which is pretty good because obviously if we're going at a lower price point, the concentration might be lower. I like this in bathrooms because you want to add pretty things to your countertops that you use every day. The packaging is nice and it has a magnetic clasp here. The other one I got is Floriental Cedarwood. This is one of the most popular ones on there. And this one has notes of mandarin, cardamom, orange blossom, and then also amber and vanilla. I'm a big fan of amber and vanilla. So this is a more, I would say, like fruity version of the oud. I wanted to get a very musky one and a very fruity one. And it smells really, really good. This one, I feel like the oud is probably the one I'm going to wear more. And then the Floriental Cedarwood is when I'm kind of, I don't know, feeling a little saucy. If you order any of their scents, you can try it from the main bottle. And if you don't like it, you can send it back for a refund. So easy. So they have provided a coupon code, which is going to be listed below. If you guys want to try that out, make sure you use my discount code. If there's a perfume that you really want to get that is actually expensive, all of their scents tell you kind of what it sort of smells like, the dupes of it. So, I mean, I feel like we need to be smart with our money. You can still have luxury. You can still smell great. You can still have a pretty perfume bottle on your countertop without paying a ton of money. So thank you, Dossier. So I like to focus on using things that you might not even expect to be in a bathroom to be in a bathroom. So for instance, I got this really pretty, feminine, delicate creamer when I was hunting around Goodwills in my hometown. And I was like, okay, maybe I'll use it for a vase or whatever or something. It perfectly fits my toothbrush and my toothpaste holder. And arguably, it might be more chic to not have your toothbrush out on the vanity. But for my lifestyle, I don't have a lot of people coming over. I actually really like it. And it was the perfect height to be able to contain it. I also love Etsy. I mean, I'm really a big Etsy fan because you can get a handmade ceramic bowl with so much elegance for a very low price. And it is coming right from an artist and no one else is going to have that. And luxury is about enjoying those tiny little things that you love and you notice those details and really elevate the space. In my last bathroom in LA, I actually had this painting behind me hung over my tub for the longest time because I had a separate shower. I love the look of vintage art in bathrooms, especially small bathrooms. And you know what? Honestly, I think you can even get away with doing a gallery wall. I have seen like the little bathroom nook area have an entire floor to ceiling gallery wall of like portraits. So there's like 1 million people staring at you, which I think is really fun. But don't be afraid to put vintage art, something with soul, something that looks real and old and aged, because it will actually elevate the entire space of the home. Even if your tub. Only do this if you have a nice bathtub. I'm a huge bath taker. I love taking a bath. And I like to just lay in there and like listen to YouTube videos. So a bath shelf always looks really great and stylish, and it's not going to be that expensive. Kind of a no-brainer, okay? So if you have a window, which is an absolute luxury to have a window in your bathroom, you can put live plants in the bathroom. But if you don't have a window in your bathroom, guys, I found this really cool idea to do a eucalyptus shower bundle. All you have to do is get like fresh eucalyptus. I bought 2 packs from Trader Joe's, literally under $10, and I just put them over the shower head. And it actually has health benefits because it will release those essential oils with this steam in the shower, and actually it helps with decongestion. And it also just like adds a layer of beauty, brings the eye up and makes your bathroom smell really, really good. So let me know what you guys think. Is there anything I missed? Do you have these items in your bathroom? The bathroom is a small, manageable space that you could literally tackle this weekend. All of these things could be purchased at all budgets. It just makes all the difference in the world. So hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.